Hello everyone, and you join me back with my E30, and in this video you're basically gonna see how I ended up getting to this point. So let's jump into the video. It's alive. Been pretty annoyed just now. Loads of stuff going all kinds of wrong for me. Show you guys what's happened again. Because the car's been parked outside, it's just been getting damp and massive puddles in there and whatnot. So I'll let you guys know the reality of owning cars like this, and if you're not smart about how you own it. So this is the kind of stuff that ends up happening. You can kind of see the engine oil leak right about there. So can't wait to get this engine out. Right, so today has actually been a very busy day so far. Obviously getting all that stuff done to the 6 Series, but we've managed to get the E30 back into the garage. So move the F1 thing further back, etc. And now we've been able to fit this car into here. Now here's the problem bit. As you kind of saw from yesterday, well, a clip from yesterday, this car's interior has been battered. So I'm basically gonna now strip out all the carpet, seats, and then hopefully start giving it all a bit of a good clean, whatever I can do. And I think I'm gonna have to also take out the seat belts as much as I can, because I don't even know how I'm gonna go about getting that cleaned up. There's probably gonna be a lot of water under there, under the carpet and stuff, so I'm gonna also need to get all of that suctioned up. So that's also gonna be fun. Now there's only one way to really go about all of this, and that is just to dive in. So let's dive in. So first up, I'm actually gonna take off the roof. So everything's gonna be so dirty over here. Oh my. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh my gosh. So, whew, honestly, that's disgusting. That's actually like, I thought it would smell better after taking everything out, and yesterday it actually didn't smell that bad in there. Maybe because I was outside and I was getting a lot of fresh air, but that's actually disgusting. Right, let's carry on. Let me show you guys. There's a lot of water in there as well, which is awesome. Right, tool set all good. Let's carry on now, jumping onto these. So wow, you can actually see just how damp that area is. I am so sorry, baby. I am so sorry. Right, I actually think it might be a good idea for me to get some kind of box or something. Yeah, I got a lot of rubbish going on here. But for me to get some kind of box that I can put all this stuff into, so that when I do dismantle everything, then I have something to go back to and find it all. So as you guys all know, it's always important to be organized with these kind of things, because it can all go everywhere, and once you lose it, it's very hard to find again. So I think I should use my head and be smart about this. So let's try and find something to put it all into. Right, got my box. Might be a little bit of overkill, but I think we should hopefully be able to fill it up with some other stuff like plastic trims that I find that can also go in here. So let's just get things going in there. Look at that. Wait. Ignore the shoes. They're really bad. These are car working shoes. Got some water down there as well. This is so bad. I'm so sorry, car. Shouldn't have left you out like that for so long. Oh, I'm such an idiot. At least I can admit when I've been an idiot. Should have done my car into the garage a long time ago. What's really annoying as well is I remember doing all the interior before with the deep clean. So this is twice as annoying because I shouldn't have ever needed to do this all over again, but now I do. Damn, that's nasty. That's so nasty. Right, back seats are out. I deal with taking out the side panels later. Basically, it's kind of a blessing in disguise for me right now. With me taking out all the interior, I've said, you know what, sod it. This is gonna be the start of the interior work. So I'm gonna literally strip out the whole interior, start getting it ready, because I am gonna be doing a complete restoration of the interior and complete retrim, completely different colors and some unique touches as well. This is gonna be a dream car, so that's what my focus is right now. I gotta make it the dream E30 that I wanted it to be. So that's what I'm working on. You know, it's all about building dreams. So 24/7, you gotta build those dreams, people. So right, let's carry on building some dreams. Show my homies where we at right now. So look at the squish. Oh, it's so disgusting. I'm actually putting these bolts. Oh look, another 5p. Oh, by the way, people, I found £1 and that was behind the pound. That's how much mold there was. Oh look, another 5p. Yo, this car's making me rich, man. See? Who says owning cars is expensive, fam? Nobody makes you money.
Hey, come on, let's do this.
What? There's still more moisture to come. I think my brother's actually got a good idea. Do all the carpet now while it's still in the car. Get it all dry as the carpet can be, kind of. And then lift up the carpet and then suck up whatever is underneath the carpet. Right, I'm gonna carry on doing this. It's gonna be boring for you guys to watch, so I'm not gonna record it all now. Alright, so I've been doing a lot of sucking up the water with that, stepping on it and sucking it up again. It's taken so long that I thought, right, I'm gonna try and remove the carpet and have a look underneath. So I've been taking off these side panels, taken that one off already. All you do is you got 2 Phillips screws, one just here, one just there. Gonna put that down, and you have a 17mm bolt which holds on the bottom of the seat belt, which you need to kind of basically feed through here as you are taking it out. So I'm just going to take that one off now. All you literally do is you, after it's all unbolted and stuff, you just unhook it from everywhere that it needs to be unhooked from. Like I said, just feed the seat belt thing through. And then ta-da! It is off. Oh snap! I'm gonna fall over all kinds of places. I'm gonna take off the center console now next. Which, if I'm correct, we start off from the back area. There's a, I think it's a 10mm bolt in there. It's like a plastic bolt, and that should all come off loose. I don't think there's anything really holding it on from the front. This bit I'm going to deal with in a second straight after that. Might as well take that off for now. Take this wire out. Right, I think that's where I'm gonna stop everything for today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired now. So literally doing the bottom carpet has been taking all of my energy because I have to keep standing on it, trying to get all of the water to squeeze out of the carpet. It has just been long. So put most of the parts all kind of safe. Don't worry, it's not gonna damage any paintwork or anything like that. Oops. That's the interior right now. Mostly stripped out. Just got the last few bits and pieces to do. Door cards and stuff like that will be removed next as well. And right now I'm actually going to hopefully look at starting to design what the interior is going to look like. There's some touches I've taken from a few other cars that I've seen, not just E30s, just a little bit of everything that I've seen out there. So I'm going to look at implementing all of that towards this car. And yeah, so let's see where this build takes us. For now, right, I want to sign off this video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed me working back on the E30 again. It's been good to work on this car, and I hope you guys, you know, subscribe, because this is gonna be, I'm not gonna even lie, this is gonna be you guys watching someone build one of the most detailed dream cars out there from a complete newbie point of view. You know, because I'm a noob when it comes to most of these things. I just learn about it all there and then, figure it all out and take it on from there. So that's kind of what you guys are this is basically the kind of build that you guys will be watching me go through, learning about everything, doing it all for the first time, but building something amazing. One thing I have learned so far is take your time with things, learn more as much as you can about what you're about to do, and then implement whatever you've learned. Don't be shy about spending a little bit extra to get the better things out there, because trust me, it works out better in the long term. A couple of the things that I wished I learned more about was, again, with my arches, the problem was the way I put it on, there wasn't a huge amount of fiberglass to join them on together. So it was kind of a weak joint. In some of the areas here, you can tell where there might have been a little bit of flex, and it's already had the paint come off, or the primer, which is a hardening primer, so it's extra strong compared to a normal paint primer. So and you know, then stronger than normal paint as well. So for it to already crack like that, that means it wouldn't have survived normal paint work, which is, I'm happy that I've learned that now, because if I did that afterwards, after I've painted the car, that would have really sucked. So that's something that I'm going to look at doing. Also going to be looking at doing the engine soonish. I want to get an engine as soon as I can, then strip it down, start rebuilding it. Not going to go for crazy power or anything like that. I just want a nice solid engine. Building that up and then getting that dropped into this car. Leave me comments below if you want to comment on what kind of engine I should get. I'm pretty sure of what engine I want to get, but I'm always swaying backwards and forwards between a few. The M52, M44, the M42, you know, all kinds of engines. Those are the kind of the basic ones that a lot of people like to do. I kind of do like a 4-cylinder engine idea because it keeps it true to the E30 M3 style, but you know, you get that little bit of craziness. And one thing I am going to be doing is making this car manual. I do want it to be manual because when I'm driving this car on very special occasions, I like the feeling of driving a manual and being able to go through the gears. So my daily drive is going to be automatic. I want my special car to be something manual, a bit more of a beautiful kind of balance between enjoying a car and relaxing and cruising, but at the same time being able to go through some nice country lanes. Or even if I take it to the south of France, which I really want to do, then it'll be nice chilled out, but you get to just cruise along the coastline, you know. But yeah, that's what you guys are installed for if you do subscribe, because trust me when I say it, this is not going to be your average build. And please do hit that bell button, because when it comes to the E30 build, there's going to be a lot of updates on a regular basis. Hopefully I'm going to try and stick to my word with that one. Right guys, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. Promise I'm ending the video, but I just realized I block myself this way to get to the light switch, and that way to get around the car to go and get to the light switch. So I've got this long piece of wood. Right, let me hold it right at the end. Wait. No. Yes.